Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your channel and enabling live streaming. This unlocks the stream key. Next, open YouTube Studio and copy the Rtmp server URL and the stream key. These are the two pieces you must protect. Then pick an encoder like OBS, Streamlabs, or vMix and install the latest version. Once installed, open the encoder and go to Settings. In Settings, find Stream and choose Custom or YouTube as the service. This gets you ready for configuration immediately. Now configure the encoder with the Rtmp URL and paste the stream key exactly. Mistakes here prevent connection. Set video resolution and frame rate, typically 1920x 1080 at 30 or 60 FPS depending on content, and choose a bitrate that matches your upload speed, usually 1/2 to 2/3 of your measured bandwidth. Select a keyframe interval of 2 seconds and use constant bitrate encoding for stability. If your CPU struggles to finish, press Start Streaming in your encoder, then return to YouTube Studio and click Go Live to publish the feed. This two-step ensures YouTube receives and serves your stream. Watch the Stream Health panel for bitrate, dropped frames, and warnings. Keep an eye on chat and latency. When you end, stop the encoder stream and then end stream in YouTube Studio to close the session cleanly. If something fails, immediately verify upload speed, lower bitrate. Confirm keyframe interval is 2 seconds, and restart the encoder. That usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.